Hey guys, Farah here and you're watching Filipino VA Guides, VA Tip of the Day. And today is special pa rin because ang pag-uusapan natin is all about social media marketing, okay? So for today, our VA Tip of the Day is... Bakit nga ba kailangan ang mga virtual assistants need to promote themselves on social media? Actually, for sure, if you've been doing social media marketing work, I think as a virtual assistant, this is the last thing that you'll think of na, ay, pwede ko pala i-promote sarili ko on social media as a virtual assistant. Kasi syempre, lagi lang nating iniisip is how you can promote your client's business on social media. The last thing that you would think about is to promote yourself and your services on social media. Now, there are three things why you need to do all of this, no? If you look at it even for a business perspective, ganun din ang iniisip nila. That's why they're on social media. Now, if you're a virtual assistant and you need more clients na ayaw mo na mag-rely in online job sites like an Elance and Odesk, and you just basically want to have a name for yourself, then social media is the best way to do that. The first reason why you actually need to promote yourselves on social media is that because clients would actually check up on you if you're a real person or not. Ngayon, if you go to sites gaya ng, I think Odesk has that, yung pwede mo i-link yung social network mo, and even onlinejobs.ph, they have that requirement. Medyo bibigyan ka pa nila ng points niyan eh. Pag kinonect mo ang social network mo on your online profile. But aside from those kind of online sites, maganda din kasi na you can actually share your social profiles to your clients para makita nila if you are really who you say you are, okay? Now, the second one is that it also builds your credibility, di ba? The whole point nga kung bakit nasa social media ang mga virtual assistant is that so that you can show to potential clients na credible ka, na you know what you're doing on social media, you're very active, you're very versatile, and you know what's happening in and around the world actually. Not lang dito sa mundo natin, not lang dito sa Pilipinas, but all over the world. And the only way for you to do that is to be active on social media, di ba? Now, the third thing that for sure na hindi mo siguro naisip, pero na-encounter mo na when you're working with a client is that having a social media profile can actually enhance you online, okay? When I say enhance you, as in enhance your online presence, ibig sabihin that it builds that name recognition. Kumbaga, if somebody makes a research out of you, kumbaga, let's say, Juan de la Cruz virtual assistant, lalabas yung mga social profiles na meron ka. And then yung mga websites mo, and then yung mga other online sites related to your name, lalabas yon. Now, if you have different and various, and a lot, lahat na ng description ginamit na online profile, na social media online profile, it will actually be to your benefit. So to summarize why Filipino VAs need to promote themselves on social media is that one, clients to check up on you if you're a real person or not. It builds your credibility and it enhances your online presence. So thanks for watching. For the whole week, ang aking VA Tip of the Day videos all about social media marketing. Now, don't forget, you can catch all of my VA Tip of the Day every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday at 10 a.m. here in my Facebook page and as well as my YouTube channel, Filipino VA Guide. Thanks for watching and see you guys next week. Happy weekend! Bye-bye!